Howdy everybody, Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. We are getting ready to make a meatloaf and we're going to add some of our hatch green chilies to it. We are in hatch green chili fever right now. We try to add it to a little bit of everything we cook during the week. So let's get started. First we get 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 2 eggs, half a cup of hatch green chilies, 1 small onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and a 1/3 cup of ketchup, which is going to make your sauce. Put your ground beef in a bowl and take your eggs. This is what's going to help it hold it together. Add your sauce. Salt and pepper. Remember, this is to taste. Your hatch green chilies, you can add as little or as much as you want. Your onions and your bell peppers. And your breadcrumbs. Now we're going to add our milk. We're going to mix it up. The good thing about meatloaf is you can add a little bit of anything that you want as far as vegetables go. This is just kind of the basic meatloaf. We just add our hatch green chilies to flavor it up and spice it up a bit. Take a greased pyrex, or you can even put it in the loaf pan. We choose a pyrex because depending on the kind of hamburger meat you get, if it is 80-20, then it's going to have a lot of grease to it, and putting it in a loaf pan sometimes causes it to overflow, and so we put it in a pyrex dish to kind of keep it contained. Shape it like a loaf and set it aside. Next, we're going to get ready and make our sauce. Here goes our ketchup, our mustard, our brown sugar, and our salt and pepper to taste. We're going to whisk it up, get it mixed real good. And we're going to put it on our meatloaf. Take a rubber spatula and just kind of spread it around evenly to coat your meatloaf. And you're going to bake at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. And there you have it, kids. Delicious, delicious, delicious. This is something that's a good comfort food when it's cold outside, but you can also make it in the summer. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate each and every one of you. Serve this up with your favorite side dishes and get going. This is a good hearty meal. Thank you for watching. Take care, God bless, and have a wonderful weekend.